Hello, my fabulous love bug goodies. Today is my birthday. By the time you're watching this haul, it is my birthday. I wanted to do something different, something to take me back to when I first started my YouTube channel. I started doing fashion. That was my passion before I started cooking or DIYs or anything that I'm doing right now. And I wanted to take you guys back to the journey, especially the goodies that's been following me from day one. You know that I started out with fashion, right? So yes, so I'm taking you on this fashion all journey right now, and it's my birthday and I wanted to do something totally different. I just wanted to be Juliana for a minute. I'm out on my back porch and I'm just loving, as usual, the sound of the birds and everything else, and I just wanted to do this all with you. So without further ado, let's jump right into this swimsuit fashion. All right, let's get right into it. Now y'all, this is my first one. I love this swimsuit. It is nice and stretchy and it hugs all your imperfection. That is what I love about this. Well, most of my swimsuits, if it's not hiding my imperfection, then me not buy it. So this one is a must-have, and all the swimsuits that I'm going to show you right now, they're all from my clothing store in Atlanta, Q2 Fashion, right? So it has this little hook on top right here. It opens up and snatch right there. Then it has these nice little leopard prints around the breast area. The back is open in the back, and then it has this little snuggly tie bow on the side that really grips and holds and firms out the shape, give it extra like a boost or something. And then the padding on the bust, it has the nice little pads to support the bust and give it a nice little lift, like me, right? I need it. And then the elastic band to give it an extra little lift under the bottom of the breast. So yeah, this is nice. Check it out. Now my next one is this red swimsuit here. I love this one, guys. This one is so nice. Now if you have that little problem in the tummy area, this is going to hide those little flaws and those little imperfections, and that's what I love about this. It is nice and stretchy like those leggings material. It covers the booty area really nice, and it also gives you that little support in the groin area, so you have that little extra bump right there. So, and it covers the boobies pretty well like that. Nice little support in the cup, and then it has the elastic to support underneath the breast as well. And yeah, this is a must-have for me. I love red. Red is my favorite color, and so yeah, check that out. Moving right along to my 4th of July, honey, and I love this piece. The only thing I like about it is when I had it on, it kept on getting that little thing right here in the side. I never really like it, but overall I love it because it's nice and stretchy. It also has that bust support in here, and then have the elastic band to support and give it that extra lift to lift the breast. Then it also has the V, that nice little V shape in the front, and it has a little V in the back, but it's not that covered, but it still get the bottom that nice little BBL kind of lift, if you know what I mean, and I need that. So this is the one. I love this, guys. I love this one. That is nice. Now y'all, this is my next one and I am in love with this. O to the M to the G. This is so nice. It is also nice and stretchy like that. I love the material. The material is perfect. It has a nice little support to give it that BB lift as well in the butt area. Nice little comfort in the crotch area as well. It's really stretchy, y'all. Really stretchy. That's what I love about these swimsuit. It also has a padding as well for the boobies. This one doesn't have the elastic going across to lift the breast, but this will help to support it, right? My favorite thing about this swimsuit is the circle, that gold buckle right there in the middle. I love it. It's a nice little teaser. It also has the openings on top of here. Snap it up back like so, and yeah, check that out. Moving right along, y'all. I love this pink and yellow rose swimsuit. It is so super comfortable. The back is covered, so it covered your booty pretty well, right? It's really covered. And then on top of that, like if you just have a baby or you just don't want to show your tummy too much, it has ruffles. So it has 2 layers of ruffles in front and back. As you can see, that's the back and this is the front. Nice little stretchy elastic straps, and this is to die for. I love it. All my swimsuits, I wear a large in every one. I wear large, right? I'm a big girl, so yeah, that one. Check that out. Last but not least, y'all, I have this 2-piece right here. This is so comfortable. You know, when you have your kids and all that stuff, you have that little imperfection and you kind of feel a little bit insecure about your body sometimes. Well, this is one of those swimsuits that's going to have you looking sexy but hide all of the imperfection, and that's why I love this one. It's an army green, and then it has those little openings right here on the sides right there, and it has the gold studs going down on both sides like that. So it's pretty comfortable. It goes all the way up over the navel, so that's a plus right there. It covers any imperfection you have on the tummy, and then the back is nice and stretchy, so it comes right down under the buttocks, and it covers the front, so you don't have that shape, everything a shape at the front, right? So yeah, this is also a large. And then the top is really sexy, y'all. It has a string that goes around the back of the neck. It attaches right here, and then it has 2 buckles that locks in the back like that. 2 buckles. It's very pretty, and it's very sexy. All the studs, the gold stud that goes around the cuff and under the breast right there. It is very pretty. Check that out. Well, okay, my lovely love buggers, I'm hoping to enjoy this sexy little birthday going into summer swimsuit haul, right? Now, I did enjoy doing it. I had a lot of fun. Like I said, I just wanted to do something different for my birthday. I just wanted to feel like, once again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all the love and support. Wish your girl a happy birthday down in the description box. I love you, love you, love you guys so much. And yeah, I guess I will see you in my next video, cooking for sure. So yeah, I love you guys.
If only you knew who I was, all that I seen.